Learn how to multiply. 8 times table. 1 times 8 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 8 equals 32. 5 times 8 equals 40. 6 times 8 equals 48. 7 times 8 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 9 times 8 equals 72. 10 times 8 equals 80. 11 times 8 equals 88. 12 times 8 equals 96. Now, try to read the words of the correct answers. 1 times 8 equals 2 times 8 equals 3 times 8 equals 4 times 8 equals 5 times 8 equals 6 times 8 equals 7 times 8 equals 8 times 8 equals 9 times 8 equals 10 times 8 equals 11 times 8 equals 12 times 8 equals. Now, try to fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. 1 times 8 equals 2 times 8 equals 3 times 8 equals 4 times 8 equals 5 times 8 equals 6 times 8 equals 7 times 8 equals 8 times 8 equals 9 times 8 equals 10 times 8 equals 11 times 8 equals 12 times 8 equals. If you think you need more time to practice this table, please repeat. But if you already mastered these, please proceed to times 9 or 9 times table. Good luck! Thank you for watching.